Alrighty, so here's the Lab 10 test video. So let's do the first test case. We'll do a -1. So the program caught it, said it's an invalid input. So now let's do the second test case with the 0. Now it gave us an invalid input as well. So now let's do a 1. So that test case worked. Let's do a 2. That one worked as well. That's next test case is a 9. That one ran. Let's do 100. Perfect. Now for the last test case, let's put in 200. Also, on that one worked. So now, just as a bonus, I can also put in, if I put in like a string, like a letter, it says it's invalid, or if I put in a decimal number, it also considers that invalid as well, until you put in the correct number. But anyway, so that is the test case video for Lab 10.